Alright, so hopefully you guys got a pretty good view. This is something I've kind of wanted for a while and just wasn't sure if they made them or what. But this is supposed to be a screwdriver for cell phone repairs, all kinds of stuff. It is called a Wowstick 1F Plus. It's a precision screwdriver. Looks pretty cool on the outside. I'm kind of looking forward to checking this out just to kind of see, and I really hope this works and it's not just some knockoff. I want to say I paid about $40 for it, so it seems like a heck of a deal for something that delivers so much. But it's supposed to be a little electric screwdriver for small repairs that you're working on. Okay, we got a screw pad. That's kind of cool. Let me see here. Okay. So, a screw pad. I like this so far. Trying to see if I have a little screw around here. I want to see if it will stick to it. I do have a screw. Alright, here's this little screw pad, so let me see. Okay, so it does. It's just not really thick magnetic, but it does stick to it, so that's cool. So the screw pad is already a plus. Let's see. This says, I'm a Bits Group X1 accessory. Let's go ahead and just open this up and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So it looks like just a bunch of little bits. Looks like Phillips, flathead, some little hex screws. So there's one. Put that right there. I'm a dual power screwdriver. Okay. Okay, so this is the main machine, I guess, right here. Looks like there's a little charging port right here that you can charge it. Okay. Looks like if you push this button, it's reverse, and if you push lower, it is forward. It does light up. Okay, pretty cool so far. But does it work? I'm a base accessory. I imagine this is the little charging dock. Oh, I don't know. Maybe? Base? Maybe that holds it? I don't know. I'm not gonna mess it up yet. I'm a group 3 bits. So imagine this is more bits. I wanted to try this on just an iPhone with the Pentalobe screw and see if I can get it open. I'm used to iPhones and computers and stuff, so this one looks a little different. These are like triangular ones. I'm a Bits X2 group. Okay, I haven't seen a Pentalobe screwdriver yet, or here we go. Alright, so here's your Y screwdrivers. Here's your Pentalobe screwdrivers for the iPhone users. Looks like there's some torque screws right there as well. It says, I am a case accessory. So lots of stuff included in this package for, like I said, it was about $40 or $50. I need to go make sure, but I know it was under 50. So I feel like, all the stuff you get. Okay, well that's, okay, so it's a magnetic. I thought it was built kind of cheap, which it feels very light. It's not heavy at all, it's very light, but it's still cool. I like it. Let's see. You put it right here. Maybe this is made for you to have 2 of these, or maybe one that you use often. I mean, that'll work. And then the last thing we got here is Toolbox Accessories, which I imagine this has to have like some kind of power charger. Yep. It's a little USB. Okay, so we got a magnetizer and some screws. Well, okay. Looks like a little glass jar, maybe to put the screws in. Maybe the screws that were in here and they came out, but it's broken. It's okay though. And then you got a little pick to help open stuff and a little suction cup. So it kind of sucks that this little bottle was broken. I think it had those screws in it, and it's on the magnetizer, which is cool, because these little magnetizers are sometimes like $3 or $4. So let's get to the good part and see if this thing actually works. So I have an iPhone here, and just like any other iPhone, you got these Pentalobe screws at the bottom. So one thing that is kind of interesting to me is like, how much power does this have? Because I don't want it to screw in too hard, if that makes any sense. So let's see here. We're gonna try to get Pentalobe. Okay, so these are little rubber. I don't know if I like this or not. Okay. So it kind of comes out of there. All right. Put that back. Okay. Let's double check down here. Let's make sure it's not this one. Maybe it's this one instead. Maybe I just looked at it wrong. Okay, so it is this guy. I apologize. Maybe that cover was on there backwards. So, all right, it goes in there pretty good. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it goes in there pretty good. All right, so that's back, and if you go down low, it's forward. So we're gonna try this out. Let's go back. All right, so as you can tell, I'm not used to this. So you're gonna have to hold it, put a little pressure on there. I don't know if you can see that, but that worked pretty good. Let's try this again. I'll try to see if I can get a little better view here. All right. Not gonna lie to you guys, as of right now, this is super cool. I really like that. I don't know how long these bits will last, but that was cool. I like that a lot, like a whole lot. Trying to see if I have anything else that I can kind of unscrew just to try it out. Here's an iPhone. Let's get a little Phillips in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one off, and I mean it sticks in there pretty good. I like that. So let's get a little Phillips, and let's see how this does. Really like it so far. Like I said, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I know they sell these little bits in a whole bunch of different variety packs, so these bits will not be too hard to find. Let's just try this one right here. Make sure you guys can see that. I'll probably try to zoom in. Like I said, the one thing I'm gonna have to get used to is you have to kind of hold it with some pressure. Dude, I like it. All right. As of right now, And I'm gonna have to give this a little bit of time, but this Wowstick precision screwdriver is pretty dadgum cool. I really like it so far. Like I said, this is just me opening it and trying it out. I will give you guys another video after I've used it for a good 2 weeks or so. I really want to put this thing to the test. It's not really heavy, but it's not like light either. We're gonna take this bit out for a second. I'm gonna have an issue, I'm gonna tell you right now, with putting these bits back. I don't. So I don't know how long, like I said, these bits will last either. Maybe it goes like that. Has to. Okay, cool. So that's a little holder. And that holds it down, which I don't know what this hole on this other side for. I don't think it goes that way. Pretty sure it does not go that way. Let's see. According to this picture, this W is pointed up, so it goes this way. Yeah. Alright, so I believe that's how it stands, just a little holder. It's kind of messing with me, that's got a hole down here, but whatever. Goes in like that. Yeah, Wowstick 1F Plus precision screwdriver, easy and enjoyable. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, comes with a demagnetizer. I'll double check the price. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you guys will come back in about a week or two, I'll give you guys another view. Just stay tuned for a part 2, because I would like to use this and kind of tell you like how long the battery lasts, how long it takes to charge it, and whatnot. But as of right now, very cool. Like I said, it's got a little weight to it, but not bad at all. I've been waiting for one of these. Maybe they make them, but I just happened to come across this one on accident and thought I'd give it a shot. But one more time, it's a Wowstick precision screwdriver, dual power mix. I mean, don't know how good you can see that, but like I said, as of right now, I really like it. It pulled out those screws really quick. I guess I can take them and put them back, pull them out, but let's see how it does putting them back. Alright, so the screws stay on the pad pretty good. Alright. You gotta remember, this is kind of different because you're not used to having little power tools like this. Oh, cool. Okay, so it doesn't. As soon as it feels some tension, like it just stops. And that was one thing that I was kind of concerned with. Let's try it again and make sure you guys can see that. I'm gonna put a little bit of pressure on top. We're gonna screw it in. That's cool. As soon as it felt pressure, it stopped. Man, this is neat. I'm really excited about this. I'm excited to use it. I want to fix some stuff. Once again, guys, Wowstick F1 1F Plus. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll send a part 2 as well. Like I said, man, comes with the pad, comes with a base, comes with, what does it say, 69? It's a great number, 69 different bits. I mean, this is cool. As long as it lasts long, I'm really looking forward to using this. Gonna screw these last screws in real quick, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys can get you one. Oh, love it, love it.